Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix black wallpaper on iOS 17. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. If you have set any picture or wallpaper on your iPhone and it's turned into black, then I'll show you how can you fix this type of error. So first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to change that wallpaper or delete it or re-enter it again. For that you have to tap and hold your lock screen. Now you can see this type of interface. Just simply you have to delete this wallpaper by tapping on that. Now after deleting it, try to report it again and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, try other one and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to close this page. Then let me tell you that if someone sent you a picture, okay guys, and the picture is encrypted, that's why maybe it's not working for you. Okay guys, try to change the other picture. Try to check if you have taken the picture from your iPhone. Okay guys, so you have to set that picture, and after that maybe your problem will be fixed. And once it's here guys, then what you need to do is just simply have to open the settings. Now from here you have to scroll it down and tap on channel. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on software update. Then you have to update your device if it's asking. Okay guys, you have to update your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.